Hello and
and
welcome to
welcome
my
to my
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel. I am Hashem. Today I am going to discuss about why we can't speak English fluently. This is actually a very common problem among English learners, and there are many reasons for it. Most English learners find that the reason they are having trouble speaking is because they tend to focus too much on the grammar rules, draw too many parallels with their mother tongue as they speak, or they simply feel anxious. If you want to speak English fluently, first of all, you have to dare to speak English on your own without following English grammar too much. By practicing speaking English, you will gradually learn the grammar. Secondly, you will not try to translate English into your own language. If you translate English into your own language, you will not be able to learn English well. So refrain from translating English into your own language. After all, you will have to enrich your vocabulary too. Okay, these are all for today. Thank you very much for hearing me with great patience. Okay, see you again. Goodbye.